Okay, let us start the class. In today's class, we will try to understand the dictionaries. Okay, first of all, the font is okay, but this I want to change this comment line. It is looking somewhat dim. So to change this comment to bright color, go for here settings. Under the settings editor, under the editor color scheme, click on color scheme. Under the color schemes, under the color scheme. So under this color scheme, expand this color scheme. Okay. Whenever you expand this color scheme, you will click on this general. Under this general, you will need to look for comments. Code comments section. Okay, now, so let us try to understand the today's class dictionaries. Dictionary. Okay. In the previous section, previous means on Friday, Saturday, I tried to brief about sets. Hope that I tried to complete all the sets of Python. So today we are going to understand dictionary. As I told you that these classes are free classes. All the classes will be conducted Friday, thrice of a week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sharply at 8 p.m. Okay, if anybody will attend and not, doesn't matter. Surely classes will be conducted every week, 3 days of a week, every okay. So the recorded classes will be kept on YouTube. These classes will be conducted up to my last breath of life. If anybody attend, not attending, it doesn't matter. Classes will be conducted and that recording will be kept on YouTube. You go there and you, if you don't have any time, okay, you watch from there. And if you have any doubts and you can dial to my number 9110398650. Thank you. So now let us move to the class dictionary. So dictionary is, it is having, a dictionary having keys and values. Keys and values. Okay. Called a pair. Called a pair. Okay. So dictionary always having keys and values called a pair. So always the dictionary take a variable, suppose this dict, any variable, you take my number, your name, any number. Okay. Suppose if I am taking a variable, this dict, so simply you is equal, this is the variable. So always dictionary will be represented in flower braces. After that, I told you that dictionary, this variable, it is a variable which is holding keys and values as a pair, called a pair. So first take a key. Always suppose a string, this is what? String can be represented, so this is a key. Okay, now it is to be represented with a value. Understood that? So try to understand this key. So this key, this is a key. As I told you that it is paid with a value. So you need to give a value. Suppose any value, 114. Now, now one pair, key and value, one pair completed. Suppose after that one more string you want to say one more key. This is one more key. Here it is also a string. As I told you that string can be represented in double quotation marks and single quotation marks. Now it is to be paid with a value. Take any value, a value, anything. Okay. So now what happened here? Vasu, suppose it is a student name. You understood that he has a roll number. Okay. Otherwise, you simply this dict, you change this if you are feeling student. Okay. Student is a variable. So now student variable, it becomes a dictionary. It is having two key value pairs. Okay. So we have studied that sets also represented in flower brackets, but set never have pairs, never have pairs. So the difference between sets and dictionary is that sets will be represent with the single items, otherwise values. But in dictionary, we need to, dictionary always will represent one key is associated with a value. Okay, now this is called a pair. Okay, so that is the difference. Now one dictionary is created, then how to print the, simply you print, if you want to get the printed, simply you write student. Okay, now you will get all the key values. Okay, now let us see what happened here. Click on this and run. So let us see what happened here. So the total dictionary key and value. Okay, the total two pairs are the two pairs displayed. So this is the way to display all the key and values of a dictionary. Now next dictionary uh, items are ordered, okay, and ordered, comma, changeable, comma, indexed. Let us see indexed. Okay, indexed. And one more topic is what we have studied about all the sets and tuples and lists. That moment we have studied ordered, changeable, indexed, duplicates. So whether duplicate is there or not, we need to check back that. Okay, duplicates. Okay. So these four properties, characteristics we have studied whenever we were understanding about dictionaries. Okay, these four terms we need to understand about the dictionary. So the same terms we have we try to understood with the lists and tuples and sets also. Here I'm going to explain you that. So they are ordered. So this is okay. Okay, ordered and changeable. Okay, and no duplicates. You need to write no duplicates. Okay, indexing. Let us see. Leave it this term. Okay, we will study these characters. Okay, so dictionary comes under. It is a collection of data structure. It is a collection. It is a collection framework. You can simply say that collection framework. Is a collection framework or called collection array, collection array. Okay, you can say anything, huh? Collection array, otherwise the data structure, built-in data structure. Okay, anything. Now, so we can so suppose if I want to get the value of this uh, key value, if I want to get this key value, okay, 114, you need to ask like this, print, okay, bracket, okay, then word student, dictionary name, then in square bracket, you need to ask Vasu. So what it means, what does it mean? What does it mean? Under the student dictionary, you want to get the value of this key. What is this? Is the key. You want to get the value of this key. So now let us see what happened. You try to run this code. What are you getting? What is that? 114. 114 is the value of this key. So if you want to keep somewhat text just before that, you keep the text. Okay. Always text means string value of Vasu string. You can write like this. Okay. So now you run this code. So value of Vasu string 114. Okay, Vasu string. Where is Vasu? This is the string and this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. If you want to know this value, you need to call the key. Okay, you need to call the key. I have put a separator to understand that, but here it is looking somewhat awkward because there is no any separation between this text. Its total value of is a string, is a text. So there is, I want to keep somewhat separation by double columns. Okay, I have kept columns. Now you run this code. Now it is looking because the value and the text, okay, both are being separated with a text, okay, means a string. Now come next one. That is the way how to get the value of a key. Value of a key. Next is what? Ordered. Ordered means they follow index. So first ordered means, what do you mean of this ordered? So try to understand. Ordered dictionary follows ordered means they follow a index. They follow an index. Okay. Indexing is there. Next, no duplicates means no duplicates. No duplicates means, what do you mean of no duplicates? Means existing value will be overwritten. Okay, will be overwritten. What do you mean of this? Means no duplicates means, suppose if you want to duplicate anything, so previous value will be changed. That way, previous value will be overwritten. So in the place of previous value, no value will be written. That is called so existing value will be changed. So len function used to know how many items are there. So let us see. So len function means brackets parentheses used to know how many items are there. So now come down, use print bracket len of what? Length of which dictionary? Student. So what is the length of student dictionary? How many key pairs are there? 2 pairs are there. So you will get the answer. So here you are getting 2. 2 means, so 2 pairs. So you put a string here, total pairs. Total pairs. Total pairs. Now you run this code. So total pairs 2. Pair means one value and one key and value.